Ito na, Bok?
She's always snooping around in your room.
Kailangan na to, guys.
Duh,
Luto
of
na
course
daw
she
ang
is.
isa, guys.
She has to clean it, so
Wala pa
she has to
isa
be
dito.
there. Mia is totally awesome.
Lagi kayo,
Whatever.
Bok.
One time at
Oh,
school, we
ikuan
were
pa rin
having a
din, ano?
spring dance,
Balhin
and I
pa
was
rin natin
really
ganyan.
hoping Zach, the hottest guy in my class, would ask me out. I have had a crush on him since
Ako lang ito
kindergarten,
sumalapad.
and when he did, I felt over the moon. That day, Zach offered to walk me home, so I kissed him on the cheek. He smiled and walked away. I felt like there were 1,000 butterflies in my stomach,
What?
but the moment I caught Mia grinning at the front door, my
Wow.
smile dropped.
Tama, guys,
He's a
nakabuo na
boy.
siya gusto, guys.
Wow. I was wondering,
Napay
can
duha
he set
dito,
me up with his
guys.
friend? I always wanted to have a
Nakabuo na.
boyfriend. Shh, we
Napay
are
duha na
going
dali,
out
guys.
together.
Tinawa dali, guys.
Just
Pero,
because
guys,
his
ang
friend
gusto,
needs a
guys.
girlfriend, it
Oh,
doesn't
di
work
ba?
that way. Oh,
Na na-snack para
and
ugma,
then Mia
guys.
actually
Ready na
rolled
yung
her eyes
ugma. Ako
at
sa
me
liso
and
sa
walked
today,
away.
guys. Ay,
What was that attitude? Soon after,
Waton sa nina
first,
itong
my
maluto
favorite
ako sa,
lipstick,
guys.
then an expensive serum, and
May
finally,
lagbagmaan ni
I
karon,
pushed
guys.
back.
Kundi,
I
horot
asked
yun
Mia
ron.
if she'd seen it in here. She said she
Awa,
hadn't.
guys. Nagkatawa
Maybe
siya.
you kissed her
Awa,
way
guys.
to the
Nagkatawa
doorstep,
siya,
and he
guys.
brought
Ang
daylight.
pangutana, ani, oh.
Since the day
Oh,
she
labi.
had seen, sure,
Awa, guys.
I might be a little careless, but I've never
Nagkatawa
misplaced
siya, guys.
anything in my life before, especially a whole
Ang
freaking
pangutana, ani, guys.
From the
Og,
day
maugmaan pa ba ni?
getting ready, and
Maugmaan pa ba kahat ni?
the top was missing. Mia,
Murag
have
dili
you
na,
seen
guys.
the top? The pink one?
Kaya nag-inumin na mawar ko na, oh. Nagdag kutsara, oh.
I'm so sorry, Isabella. I borrowed the top last week and I fell and it tore
Nagdag
up along
kutsara,
the side.
guys.
And I tried to fix it, but
Oh.
please don't tell
Di
anyone.
ko na siya
or Mom
makuha,
will send
guys.
me back to
Kaya
the
maawaw
village.
siya,
And
guys.
don't even tell me.
Ah.
Encourage your secrets too. Like you kissing
Yan,
your
magmaan
boyfriend and
siguro,
how
guys,
you
ay,
made me do
abangan.
your homework. Remember?
Abangan.
Or you, like, threatening
Sa
me?
susunod.
Perhaps. I was shocked that Mia could go.
Yung ano na niyang haon, guys.
Ano mo ngayon? Ano? SM? SM overnight?
Asa man yung may butang, oh? Dito na lang, dito. Kayo.
Tapos
Ay, dili,
kinabukasan
sa
ka na
dito.
umuwi? Ha? Ano mo? Ha?
Natulog ka sa mga bintana ka?
Ano? Sa SM ka talaga nagpunta?
Oo, sa SM.
Apayawa ka mo. Wait lang ha. May kukunin lang ako ha. Sa SM nagpunta. May kukunin lang ako. Wait lang. SM? SM?
Wow!
Sa'yo?
Kaduhan na ni, guys.
Bago ka na sa SM ngayon?
Busa, ikatuluan ni, guys. Kay kuan ra, guys. Kana. Ito sa
Starbucks.
gabot.
Meron palang may heart pala sa SM ngayon.
Oo, Advance Valentine's.
Ito. Ito po kuya, nakita po namin si Kuya Allen. Alam niyo, asan po ba kayo? Magpapicture sana kami tatlo. Ito po siya.
Tingnan mo.
Ano?
May
Ha?
puso-puso.
At alam ko na kung saan yun. Kailan pa nagkaroon ng SS sa Pantabangan?
Kaduhan na ni, guys. Huwat na lang ni sa ikatulo. Gamay ra ang katuluan ni, guys. Ayun na. Kada Rosa, eh. Ayoko na, Rosa. Ikaon na niya, guys, oh. Ang usa, guys, ikaon. Hindi dyan ko guwanta, guys. Di na maptag ugma, guys. Niya pa, lami. Ah. Padidi. Padidi. Kaon din nilang usa, guys. Duha na lang nabilin. Dahil ko, be. Ako ka, mahatag ang kukod. Dala mo,